Hello, fellow teachers. How are you and how's online teaching going on? Today, I want to share with you a really important application. It's called Flipgrid. What is really good about this application that it allows you as a teacher to record yourself a video asking your students to perform a specific task while they're staying at home. And the students, on the other hand, of course, can do this task while they are recording or shooting a video for themselves. Let me show you how it works. Once you click Flipgrid here as a teacher or educator, you're gonna click in educator's dashboard. Once you click in here, of course, for the first time you'll be asked to sign in using your email. It's pretty basic and easy. And for me, my email is already signed in here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Those are the different grids that I have. So I'm gonna show you this grid, for example, which is grade 7 term 3 project. Once I click in here, those are different videos for my students who recorded videos for themselves presenting their project. Let me show you how it works. This is one of my students, for example, Lama. She recorded a video for herself presenting the project. Of course, while recording a video, you can add emotions, you can add pictures, and the program offers a really good thing, which is it offers a caption. If the students are talking in English, it can show you the caption in here, so in case the voice is not clear, you can read the caption or the subtitle in here. As a teacher, you can of course add feedback and it will be sent immediately to the student. Okay, so in here you can see those are all of my students who recorded videos for themselves. So, and all of them in the same folder, which is term 3 project. So as a teacher, you can access them easily and of course grade them easily and provide feedback to your students. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so you go to educators dashboard, and then you click add new grid. You're gonna name, for example, I'm gonna name it literature homework. Okay, you're gonna choose public, and then you're gonna click next. You can add a password or you cannot, it's up to you as a teacher. You're gonna click next. It will give you a link that you can share with your students. You can share it immediately in Google Classroom, or you can copy it and send it to your students. You can click go to your grid. Once you go to your grid, you can record your video in here as a teacher. Okay, once you click in here, you can go and record yourself a video as a teacher, okay, to start the discussion and to tell them exactly what to do. Okay, so click open in the app, and now as a teacher you can start recording your video, and you can go back in here and just add the video for your students. And your students can click on the link that you've just shared with them and start recording videos for themselves. Okay, and as a teacher, all of this comes to you at the end, and you can of course give them feedback and grade it easily. So this is a really good tool that you can use as a teacher in online learning, and instead of being passive, staying at home watching PowerPoint and watching worksheets or doing worksheets, no, now they can share videos for themselves, presenting and speaking in English. This really works with English students, ESL learners, and it could be used for any subject. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask me, and good luck. Bye.